So obviously I got myself a Hellcat. This thing is amazing. I got a steal of a deal on this thing, $61,000, and it's got everything I wanted. It's a 2018. I personally do not like the hoods on the 2019s, so I needed to pull the trigger on one right away, and I ended up finding this one. Dave Smith worked out a great deal with me over the phone. I went up there. I actually had the car opti-coated. I'll throw in a little video at the end of me washing the car. This thing's beautiful. Inside and out, just so nice to drive. It's got so much power. It's just, it's fun. It's just amazing.